My AI has many useful features, such as recommending gift ideas for birthdays, suggesting recipes for dinner, and much more. This new feature has the potential to revolutionize the entire Snapchat user experience. If you are experiencing issues with Snapchat's My AI feature, such as it not working or not appearing, there could be several reasons behind it. So welcome back to our channel. This video will guide you on how to fix My AI not showing up on Snapchat. Snapchat's My AI feature is only available to Snapchat Plus subscribers. If you are not a Snapchat Plus subscriber, you will not have access to the My AI feature. So, if you are wondering why you don't have My AI on Snapchat, it is most likely because you do not have a Snapchat Plus subscription. To fix this issue, you will need to purchase a Snapchat Plus subscription. If you have a Snapchat Plus subscription and are still unable to use My AI on Snapchat, it could be because you are using an outdated version of Snapchat. To fix this issue, you need to update your Snapchat app to the latest version. To do so, open App Store and update Snapchat to the latest version. Like many other apps, Snapchat stores cache data on your device to keep a record of your activities on the app. However, too much cache data can hinder the smooth functioning of the app and cause errors. If you are experiencing issues with Snapchat's My AI feature, it could be because of excessive cache data on the app. To fix this issue, you need to clear excessive cache data from Snapchat settings. To do so, tap on Profile icon, then Settings. Clear data, then clear cache. So these are the possible workarounds to sort out this issue. We hope this video was helpful to you. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tech-related videos. Thanks for watching.